Good day everyone. Learn how to make your laptop like new again, just like you bought it in the first day from the shop. You have done something and you tried a lot and you want to reset your laptop and want to make new again. I'll be telling you some very easy steps to reset your laptop safely, correctly, and in a very easy manner. So here in the search icon, type reset. And you will find reset this PC. You will click on that. Now you will find reset this PC. Choose to remove your personal files, then reinstall window. So we will click on reset this PC. And please make sure while resetting the computer, the laptop, make sure the charger is plugged in. Okay. Now it says choose an option whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. So what happens when you select keep my files? It removes the apps and settings, but it keeps your personal files. And if you select remove everything, then it removes all of your personal files, apps and settings. Now I'll select keep my files. This won't take long. That's good. Now it says how would you like to reinstall Windows? So I would recommend to go with the local reinstall, as the cloud download will take internet, also the time. So the fastest way to reset the computer is to select the local reinstall. By any chance, if you face any issues, then we can go with the cloud download. So I'll select local reinstall, and it says additional settings, restore apps and settings, and then we will click on next. And getting things ready, this won't take long. Now it says resetting will change setting back to their default. It will keep your personal files and reinstall Windows. So it says apps which gonna be removed. You can click on that and you will have a whole list of apps which will be removed. All right. And since if you have a recovery image, once you reinstall, the pre-installed app will be installed in your computer. So the moment I click on reset, the computer will be restarted, and you need to follow very easy online instructions, and it will restart several times, and very soon you will have a new laptop in front of you which will be reset. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.